Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nita Fadria. Here I will presentation about the journal. The title is Storytelling to Improve Student Speaking Skill. Our topic of discussion is the first is journal identity, author identity, title, rationale, research objective, literature review, method, finding, and conclusion. And next, we explain about journal identity, author identity, title, and rationale. Journal identity is storytelling to improve student speaking skill, English education, Jurnal Tardis Bahasa Inggris, Volume 10, Part 1, 2017, 119 till 134. Author identity is Mukminatus Juhriah. The title is Storytelling to Improve Student Speaking Skill. The rationale, I choose this journal because interest in observation about new learning style that make it easier for students to capture information at school. And next is research objective. This research was a collaborative classroom action research whose main purpose was to know whether or not storytelling could improve the student speaking skill. Meanwhile, the specific purpose consists of describing the lectural activity, the student activity, the student responses when storytelling was applied in the speaking class. And the third is literature review. The first is storytelling. Storytelling is about telling story. It is about using story to engage your audience or to make something more clear. Photo, picture, and film, of course, really help to tell a good story too. You can even create your very own digital story with the use of storytelling. Story have always been a way to communicate. Before people learn how to write, they would teach each other story. Stories are much easier to remember than simple fact. And the second is speaking skill. Speaking is the way of people to express and communicate ideas to others orally. According to Gerd and Hans in Efrizal, 2012, 127, speaking is speech for utterance products by the speaker with an intention of being known, and then the listener processes those saying in order to know the speaker's intention. The third is Intensive English Program. The Intensive English Program, offered online summer 2021, is designed for international college students or professional one who want to improve their academic English language skill among a dynamic, diverse group of students. And the next is method. The first is observation and speaking test. The collaborator did the observers by writing everything happening in the class on the field notes in every meeting of the cycle. Then the speaking test was held in the following meeting after every cycle had finished. The second is descriptive analysis and statistical analysis. The observation data written by the collaborator were analyzed by using descriptive analysis to know to the lecture's activity, the student activity, and the student responses during the lecture talk speaking by using storytelling in the class end. To know the improvement of the student speaking skill and the percent of the student who passed the passing grade, the research using statistical analysis. And the third is post-test. The researchers compared the number of the students getting, namely the criterion score of 4 of every speaking aspect in the pre-test, post-test 1, and post-test 2 to know to improve of student speaking skill. And the next is finding. The data of this research were got from the observation done by the collaborator and the speaking test. The results showed that there was an improvement on student speaking skill after the implementation of storytelling from the post-test method 1 until 4. As many as 75% of students got big score. The speaking test result in cycle 2 explain that the student speaking aspect get good progress. The storytelling improved their comprehension, fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Thus, it can be said that storytelling could improve student speaking skill. And the last is conclusion. The first is storytelling could improve speaking skill of students of class N, the second semester of intensive English program of Hasyim Asy'ari University, Touba Ireng, Jombang in the academic year of 2016 and 17. The student activity were in the good progress from cycle 1 to cycle 2, the followed that the lecture is structured. When the second one, they complain about not having enough time to discuss. It did not happen in cycle 2 because they already the addition time from the lecture. The student generally always ask the lecturer about the vocabulary and the pronunciation of the word that they did not know. And the student response always were a little bit different between the cycle 1 and cycle 2. In cycle 1, most of them were a little surprised when they were asked to retell the content of the reading to next in their module. It was because they were used to getting explanation without being asked to speak in front of the class about the content of the reading text they had in their module. In cycle 2, they were highly motivated to do their discussion and show interest in the topic given. They gave their clap to the group having presented their discussion result. Maybe that's all. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.